Welcome to my house. So not mine. That's house of my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law, Josibel Paget. So come. So this is here garden home managed by our pinsan. So as can you see, we have many plants, like we have orchids, and also I don't know this kind of plants. This is called as lubi-lubi. Ayan. Her garden. Run. This is her garden area. This is snake plant. Ayan. Wow. 2,000. Who wants to buy this one? Ayan. Her garden. So, lipat tayo sa loob ng bahay. Welcome home! Char! This is my mother-in-law. Say hi! Eating peanut. So, this is her... Yan. What do you call this one, baby loves? Lantay. Native lantay made from
Wood.
wood. Very hard. And it is
Salasit.
very nice compared to plastic. Yan.
Very matigas.
Charan! Here, living room. So here, yan, aba. Then, our calendar. No calendar here. It's a fluorescent lamp. So this is her salaset. So, next, punta tayo sa kanyang sira-sira store na ngayon. So, noon guys, ito ay sari-sari store, but no more, kuan naman, no more income. So, ginagawa na itong sira-sira store. So, close na ito guys. Wala na kaming paninda. Naging close na ito. So, pagpasok natin dito, here's Josibel's room. Charan! So, ang daming meron ditong module kasi may pamangkin ako na nag-aaral dito. So, you look, there are many bears here. This is, where's Po? I cannot find Po. Charan! So, here's
Si Monkey Dalupi na.
cabinet. Yan. Did-in cabinet. Tama ba?
Hanging kabinet.
Hanging cabinet. So, ito kanyang gamit. So, as you look, yan. Okay, right. Next, lipat tayo sa kanyang another room. The room of her parents. So,
Kalat, medyo makalat pa.
never mind the kuan,
Surroundings.
surroundings. And then, here is the kitchen! Charan! Walang pagkain dito. Ay, no. Walang pagkain dito. So, her dining tables, it contains 5 persons. Makata.
6. If you move the center of the one, the mesa,
Yan.
the table. 6 person.
Minom sa ako, guys. Nauuhaw talaga ako, guys. So, if you go to back area, so makakita natin na ang kanilang CR ay separate. Kasi malaking area sa labas, so ginawa nilang separate ang CR. So, ito ay ang CR. So, pag labas natin dito, guys, may kakaiba. Look. Toilet bowl, nagiging pot na. Diba creative? Look. Oh. Ang bowl ay nagiging ano na. Nagiging pottery. Oh. Ayos, diba? So, marami ditong snake plants. Here, here. And also, oh, ano to? Bottles of Emperador because my father loved to drink MP. So, ang daming MP. Ano to? 1 peso each.
Pamain.
You want? You want to sell this empty bottles of Emperador? Oh, and also this one, oh. May kaiba dito. 2,500.
Pamain.
You want to buy? Oh, look. Yan. So, as we go over there, from here,
Low battery.
our dirty kitchen. Oh, meron sikwa dito, guys, oh. Yan, dito kami kakain. Yan. Walang makain dito. Never mind. Sa bukid kasi, guys, meron tayong kitchen. Dirty kitchen. Ayan, oh. Anong laman dito? Meron doong kasaba sa malaking kaldero. Next here. Next here. We have
Garage.
garage. Garage area. Uy, daming sinampay. Never mind the sinampay. And also, we have our piggery. Maraming baboy dyan. Here also, look, 3,000.
Pamain.
3,000 pesos. Joke. Yan. Or bahay kubo. Ano to is lalagyan ng mais. Ayaw ma-open. It's closed. Ayan. And also this one. 3,000 also. Ayan, so that's for our tour of house of Josabel Pachi. So, ayan guys. We have coconut also here. Ayan. Ayan. They have also a little garden. Yeah, punta tayo sa little garden. So, wow! This is a buongon. a little buungon. So the garden here is, there are spinach and also eggplant and also sword pepper. This one. And also they have avocado but no fruits. And also malunggay. Yan. Ang daming malunggay dito, guys. And also we have kamuti tops also. Ang cute ng ano, flowers. Yan. So eggplants here is many. Charan! Charan, charan, charan. Yan na, guys. Yan. Alright. Thank you so much for watching.